today's fishingforawater.com episode, I am going to show you how to tie the Palomar knot. Stay tuned. Alright, let's tie the Palomar knot. So you're going to take about 12 inches of braid and you're just going to basically overlap it so that it looks about like this. You're basically going to pinch it together so it looks like this here. Okay, you'll have a tag in somewhere down around your line for your braid, and we're just gonna, for example, use the Palomar knot with a swivel, for example. So take the end like this, run it through the swivel, and then we're gonna bring it out about so far. And then we're just going to take it and flip it over, like if we were going to do an overhand knot, and run it inside of a loop like that, like just doing the overhand knot. And we're going to bring it out a little bit, and then we're going to take that part, right, that we ran inside of the eye of the swivel, and we're going to open it up a little bit. Do not let the tag end out, though, at any time. And then what we're going to do is when you have a leader, for example, you'll have to take the whole leader and run it through your loop that you ran into the swivel. And this can be a bit of a pain, so just so you know. So basically what I did was I just took my hook, who is connected to a leader, and I ran it through the loop here, and I'm just going to run all the way down until it goes over my swivel. And that's how we're going to tie our Palomar knot. And I just basically just ran the leader through there, and now we're just going to let go of that, but keep an eye on your tag end. When the tag end is down here, we don't want to let the tag end slip. So we're bringing these two lines together. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to grab my tag end and give it a little bit of a pull. Now give the main line end a bit of a pull, and then go back to the tag end again to kind of tie that down, and make sure that both the main line and the tag end are tied down. And that is going to be our Palomar knot right there. Now normally if you're tying this knot, right, you would start with, say, the swivel first, say your sinker first, right? Or you could be free lining it, like if you just want a free line shrimp or a bait and you just want to use like a swivel and what have you, or you're trying to catch bait. So you either want to use you would be using a sinker or free lining it and just letting the weight of the swivel be the weight, because sometimes swivels can be weighty enough that they can actually sink a little bit with the bait, that you won't need really a sinker unless you got heavy current. But anyways, though, that's basically how you would do a Palomar knot. This knot is really strong. It's one of the good knots to use. A lot of people use this knot, but it's a good knot to use for bringing, say you want to use a swivel and a leader and also a sinker, or you just want a free line with a swivel, and you can just use a Palomar knot. Anyways, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions for me, you can leave them down in the comments below. Have any video suggestions for me or anything like that, feel free to leave them down there in the comments below as well. And I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.